Hello and welcome guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today this morning we go outside and bought one nanny goat plus this kid, which is also a female, and just to fulfill our daily milk needs at our home. And this baby goat is now 3 months old, and this as per the seller, he says that this goat is giving 1.5 kg milk every single day, but nowadays we will try to give this milk to the baby goat so that she can fulfill her all the needs. And after that, when it's going big, we will use its milk for us. As you guys heard from behind the drill machine sound, so we basically are building the cage for the chickens. So basically we are making new place for chickens, new and huge place for chickens, and that small one is going to be used by this nanny goat and baby goat. And now from here you can clearly see that they are making the cage, and they are also making small cages inside as well, so that we can put our budgie parrots and all the other kinds of parrots. And from this room you can see, wait, let me show you. Yes, from here you can see that we have these small parrots as well as now 13 small chicks and 13 big chicks. And then we have got two roosters. One is a seal morph, and the other one is normal desi morph. Now from here you can clearly see they are making this one. Now they are making the foundation, and after that they are putting this jali. And I will surely show you all the process when it's finished, but in the meanwhile I'm gonna show you how they are working over here. And they are making small cage inside a big cage, and they have to remove this. In between there was one wall before. Now they removed it completely and put on some frame, and they will put on that jolly, I don't remember, I think mesh wire. Yes, it's called mesh wire in English. So they are putting this one so that we can clearly see from one place to another place. Now this is afternoon time, and they put already the mesh wire around it, around the frame, and it's almost ready. But tomorrow morning they will put this there are some sheets, and it is called in Punjabi dub. They will put some dub and then sheet and then dub again, and I'm gonna show you tomorrow morning in the next video.